In your examination, a small section of chemistry will be dependent or will be given importance on important formulas. So here the important formulas, these are the important list here. The first chemical here is that is baking soda. The other chemical name of baking soda is called as sodium hydrocarbonate, or it is also referred as sodium bicarbonate. The chemical formula of this baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. Always keep in mind, when CO3 is there, when I'm going to use it, the product CO2 gas is going to definitely come out. Okay, next you have something called as bleach. It is chemically called as sodium hypochlorite, or it is also called as hydrogen peroxide, and the chemical formula is NaClOH2O2. Next you have bleach solid, that is called as sodium perborate, that is called as NaBO3. Next you have borax. The chemical name of borax is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. So the chemical formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O. Next you have brimstone. It is nothing but sulfur S. This kind of question they may ask in your examination. Brimstone, the common name of sulfur is brimstone and it is denoted as S. Next, cream of tartar. Cream of tartar, chemical name is potassium hydrogen tartarate and KHC4H4O6. This is one of the important chemical formula. Next you have Epsom salt, very important. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta in the sense sevens, hydrate means water. That's the reason you have 7H2O. MgSO4 7H2O. Very important, freon is used in your air conditioners, so they may ask you this question: which chemical is used, give me the chemical formula of that freon. And so CF2Cl2, this is the answer, and it is chemically called as difluoromethane. Look at the name, difluoromethane. This is important. Next, galena. Galena is nothing but lead sulfide. It is denoted as PBS. Next you have grain alcohol, that is ethanol, C2H5OH, and you have graphite, that is carbon, that is called as C. Graphite is a form of a carbon, or you can say it is an isotope. It is an isotope of carbon. Next, very important, gypsum. Gypsum is found mostly in the parts of Rajasthan, and this was a question asked in your examination. Gypsum is found in which part of India? That is in Rajasthan. The chemical name of gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate, and the formula is CaSO4 2H2O. Very important, CaSO4 2H2O. Next you have hypo, sodium thiosulfate Na2SO2O3, laughing gas dinitrogen oxide N2O. Next you have lime, that is called as calcium oxide CaO. Limestone, that is calcium carbonate CaCO3, calcium carbonate CaCO3. Next you have LYE, that is sodium hydroxide. Okay, next you have NaOH, marble, that is calcium carbonate is called denoted as CaCO3. Next you have MEK, that is called as ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methane ketone is CH3COC2H5. Milk of magnesia, very important, milk of magnesia. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. MgOH twice. Muriatic acid or hydrochloric acid. Muriatic acid or hydrochloric acid, it is known as HCl. Oil of vitriol, very important, oil of vitriol is called as sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is also called as the queen of acid, that is called as H2SO4. Plaster of Paris, that is POP, calcium sulfate hydrate, CaSO4H2O. Next you have potash, that is potassium carbonate, K2CO3. Next you have iron pyrite, that is called as iron disulfide, FeS2. Quartz is nothing but silicon dioxide, SiO2. Quicksilver, that is mercury, that is denoted as Hg. It is also known as hydragyrum. It is also known as hydragyrum. Next you have sal ammoniac, that is ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Salt, this is common salt, sodium chloride NaCl. Salt substitute, potassium chloride KCl. Next you have saltpeter, that is potassium nitrate KNO3. Slaked lime is calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Sugar, sucrose C12H22O11, and trisodium phosphate, that is Na3PO4. Finally, washing soda, sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. Most of the time, the exam may ask you what is the chemical formula of baking soda, or what is the chemical formula of washing soda. Okay, other than that, they may ask you the freon, then they may ask you gypsum, and then there are possibility of asking rest of the questions like oil vitriol. So this is what will be asked from a small section of chemical formula in a chapter or a subject called as chemistry. If you have any doubt, we have n number of formulas given in the notes. If you have any doubt, you can refer that, and you can contact us anytime. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.